Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will compare protein powder versus mass gainer. Understanding the differences between these supplements is crucial for achieving your fitness goals effectively. We'll explore what each product offers, who benefits most from them, and how to decide which one is right for your specific needs. Let's dive into the details to help you make an informed choice for your workout regimen and dietary plan. Protein powder is a popular supplement, offering a concentrated dose of protein with minimal extra calories. Typically, one serving provides around 20 to 30 grams of protein, making it excellent for muscle repair and growth after exercise. It's also a convenient way to boost your overall protein intake without adding significant carbohydrates or fats to your diet. This makes it perfect for those focused on lean muscle development or weight management. Mass Gainer is designed for individuals aiming to significantly increase their calorie intake to gain weight and muscle mass. A single serving can provide anywhere from 500 to 1,000 calories, packed with a balanced mix of proteins, carbohydrates, and fats. This makes it an effective tool for those with high metabolic rates or who find it challenging to eat enough whole foods to meet their caloric surplus goals. It's a convenient way to fuel intense training. Deciding between protein powder and mass gainer comes down to your specific objectives. If your goal is lean muscle development, recovery, and simply increasing protein intake, then protein powder is likely your best bet. However, if you're looking to add significant body weight and muscle mass and struggle with high caloric intake, a mass gainer will be more effective. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals to help with your fitness journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.